So, hi, I'm Kevin, and my project is about a mini Pac-Man game. And my ideas for this project is that I create a multi-version of Pac-Man, so it's more fun, where like one player controls the Pac-Man and one player controls the ghost. And for Pac-Man to win the game, he must like collect three coins, and for the ghost to win, like you gotta kill the Pac-Man. And I created this project using VS Code, and in this code, I have several classes. First, the Pac-Man class, the Ghost class, the Berry class, and the Coin class. Um, Here's a code example that I created, and it is about like the barriers of the pie game. And then if the character hit the barriers, it will spawn back as their spawn point. And I use Python sprites with some math, and I also drew some diagrams to make it more accurate and look better. So now I'm gonna have a demo on VS Code. So the first part I created is the the first part I created is the barrier class, and where I include like the barriers, which is like the outside walls for the Pac-Man game. And the second one is the Pac-Man, where I create this sprite, a character, the Pac-Man character, and um, so I'll also have the characteristic for it to move it. So if I press the up key, it will go up. If I press down, go down, and etc. Um, and I also created the ghost barrier. And when I press the WASD keys, it will move either up, left, right, or down. So yeah, and that is also a sprite. The third class I made is the coin class, where like when the I create this coin image, where like when the Pac-Man touches the coins, it will like it will like count as like 1 point. So Pac-Man got like collect three in order to win. Yeah. And the fourth class I have is wait. Yeah, I think that's all the classes. Um and now yeah, I also create like a while statement where it involves like a Boolean variable. So if it's like true, um, the if it's true, like the Python, like the Pac-Man will eat like the coins, or like the ghost will like eat the Pac-Man. Yeah, that's when like Pac-Man is eating the coins. Yeah, and yeah. So if Pac-Man eat the three coins, it will print out the statement of that Pac-Man has won. And if like the ghost eats the Pac-Man, it will print out the game over. Um, so wait. So my next step for my Pac-Man project is that if I want to continue it, I would make it so that when Pac-Man and the ghost goes to the end of the screen, they will come back on the other side. And also I would want to make more barriers to create like kind of like the maze in like the actual Pac-Man game, so that it's like more challenging for like the two players. And my favorite part about working on this project was making all the sprites, like the ghost, the Pac-Man and the berry. Yeah, that's all for my project. So, thank you.